This is how to buy Shiba Inu coin using Coinbase and Kucoin. We tried earlier to buy Shiba Inu using Uniswap and Trust Wallet, and they were charging us, or they were going to charge us, a $200 network fee for swapping $100 worth of coin. The prices on Uniswap and Trust Wallet for that exchange with Shiba Inu are insane. So we will not be going that route. This so far has been the cheapest way for us to purchase Shiba Inu. And so we're going to be using Coinbase and KuCoin. You're going to have to set up a Coinbase account and a KuCoin account. Again, when setting up your Coinbase account, you're going to want to verify your account using your government ID. If you do not verify your account with an ID, there will be a waiting period before you can purchase and transfer funds. There will be a wait. If you're wondering why you can't do it, maybe you didn't verify your account. Also, in order to have immediate access to buying and transferring, you're going to want to use a debit card in order to fund your purchases. This way, you'll have immediate access to funds. If you use a bank account, you'll have a higher spending limit on your bank account, but you'll have to wait between 5 and 7 business days before you can make purchases or trades. So there's that. Our accounts are set up. We're going to start on Coinbase. I'm going to go to buy, sell. And right here where it says buy Bitcoin, I'm going to click on that. And we're going to be purchasing XLM, Stellar Lumens cryptocurrency. I'm going to scroll down to Stellar Lumens XLM, and this is what we're going to be purchasing. I'm going to do $20 for the purpose of this video, and I'm paying with a Visa debit card so that I can do this right now. I'll preview that buy. There's a Coinbase fee for this transaction of $1.49, leaving me with $18.51. And we're gonna buy now. Okay, that's done. And now in my Coinbase account, you see my portfolio balance is the $18.51 of XLM that I just bought. Next up is we have to transfer that XLM to KuCoin, where we will then swap it for Shiba Inu. So what you're going to need to do is we're going to hit the send receive button over here to send that XLM over to KuCoin. I'm going to click send all, and I'm going to need to type in my XLM KuCoin wallet address as well as the XLM memo. So over in KuCoin, I'm going to hit deposit. I already did that, but I'll show you it again. Deposit. I'm going to type in or select XLM because that's what I'm going to be depositing. It gives you a notice that you have to put in the wallet address as well as the memo that they're going to give you, or else the transfer won't go through. I'll click that I understand this and I'll continue. Again, they're warning me about the memo and the wallet address. Okay, so here is my Stellar Lumens wallet address for KuCoin. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going back over to Coinbase, where in the to fields, I'm going to paste that address. Next, I need to copy and paste the memo. So back to KuCoin, going to copy and paste the memo back in Coinbase. and I'm going to hit continue. This is me transferring the XLM to Kucoin. Now, there's no fee for this transaction. There's no Coinbase or network fee for this. So far, it's been the cheapest that we've found so far. The price is always fluctuating with these cryptocurrencies. So though my portfolio balance was 1851, that XLM is now worth 1827. You'll see these numbers go up and down during trading if you do it often enough. Send now. Going to send me a verification code to the cell phone that I have connected to my account, and I will put that in right now. Now you see that coin has now left my Coinbase. My portfolio is now down to 0. It may take a minute or two for it to hit Kucoin. Just like when I transferred or when I purchased the XLM, it did take a minute or two for that to actually go through before it hit my portfolio. But I could hit done now. Those funds are out of my Coinbase portfolio, and they will shortly arrive in my Kucoin assets. So I'm going to go to my assets overview on Kucoin, and it says right here that I have just received that 25.86 XLM. So I have this coin in my main account. That's the funds that I just transferred, as well as some funds that I already had in there. And the next step is transferring that XLM from my main account to my trading account, because I'm going to be trading it for Shiba Inu. So I'm going to hit main account. Here's the XLM Stellar Lumens that I want to transfer. Hit transfer. And it's going from my main account into my trading account. I'm transferring the XLM, and I'm going to click on the available amount because I'm transferring the whole thing. If you're transferring less, then you would enter that amount in this field, but I'm just going to transfer all of my XLM. And I'm going to confirm that. It says successful. My XLM is now gone from my main account, and it should be in my trading account. I can go over to Assets Overview and check to see that it's there, and it is. So from here, we go up here to Trade, Spot Trading, click there. What we're going to be doing is, right now we're working with XLM. We're going to be selling our XLM for USDT. Here in this space, if it's not already there, what you'll do is you'll click in XLM and you'll select XLM USDT. I'll click on that. And then down here in the bottom right corner, I'll see buy and sell XLM. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see any other crypto because we're selling XLM right now. I'm going to hit market. I'm selling 100% of my XLM, and I'm going to sell. Okay, it says order has been placed successfully. Next thing you would do is also from here, I would click on Shiba, SHIB. So I'm going to click here in this space again, SHIB. And yes, we're going to be swapping that for Shiba, our USDT for Shiba. I'm going to select that. Back down here in market, I'm going to click 100%. There's my 18.19 USDT. And I'm going to click buy Shiba. And the order has been successfully placed. I can go into my assets. Here's that coin that I just transferred in my trading account. It's showing as BTC. It always does, no matter what you transfer it into. It always shows it's Bitcoin. But it has been successfully transferred into Shiba, as we'll see when we click trading, because we have to transfer that back to our main account. Click trading account. Here's that Shiba that's in my trading account, 18.2. Transfer from trading to main account, trading the Shiba. I'm selecting the available amount because I'm transferring all of it, and I'm confirming that. Okay, so this is my trading account, and this is what I have in it. It should be, very small amounts, and I do 0.01 of USD, 0.01 of XLM, etc. For some reason, there's always a bit of coin that's left over after trades. I'm going to go into my main account and see what I have in there. Now I have $101 worth of Shiba, and this is in my main account. So that's how you purchase Shiba Inu using Kucoin and Coinbase. I hope this was helpful. If you have any tips to make this process quicker or even cheaper, please let us know. I started with $20. I ended up with, I think, $18.20. Those fees so far have been the cheapest that we've seen compared to using Uniswap in Trust Wallet, where the fees were just astronomical, ridiculous. But if you find a cheaper way or a better way to streamline this process, please let us know. Because we do this over and over again, and any bit can help. As for transferring this out into a crypto wallet, we're not sure how to do that yet without having to pay those insane network costs. So we're just going to be keeping it here on our KuCoin account. Everything else, all of our other coins, are kept in a crypto wallet or on Robinhood, before we knew about Robinhood. So this is going to be the coin that we're keeping here in KuCoin. Good luck, guys.